Remove the top clamp bar, making sure to avoid contact with the serrated belt grips. Avoid contact with the cutter blade if exposed. Install the drive handle on the cutter drive shaft and turn to expose the cutter blade. Note the location and move the cutter blade back into the guarded upright. Position the belt into the cutter base against the upright, opposite the blade side. Reinstall the clamp bar, ensuring the serrated belt grips are closest to the endless side of the belt. Slide the clamp bar into the fixed upright, then push it into the locking upright. If the clamp release lever won't lock in place, release the pressure by loosening both belt clamp knobs until the clamp release lever is locked. Align the marked square line with the front or back edge of the clamp bar. Tighten clamp knobs evenly until uniform tension is achieved across the full belt width. Reinstall the drive handle on the cutter drive shaft. Turn the drive handle until the cut is complete, ensuring the blade is fully enclosed in the guarded upright. Loosen both of the belt clamp knobs to release the tension. Remove the cut portion of the belt from the front of the cutter assembly. Reference the Skive setting chart to identify the correct belt stop location for the fastener size being installed. For the purposes of this video, we will reference the belt stop location D. Place the belt stops into the correct location. The front of the belt stops should align with the line of the matching letter from the Skive setting chart. Loosen the clamp bar knobs if needed, and position the belt against the locking side or right upright and all the way up against the belt stops. Tighten the clamp knobs evenly until uniform tension is achieved across the full belt width. Then remove all the belt stops. If the belt stops are not available, align the belt in with the corresponding letter line for the fastener size being installed. Insert the Skiver square gib into the Skiver frame rails and slide the Skiver assembly to the belt. Loosen the Before Skive knob. Raise the pressure plate higher than the belt and retighten the knob. Slide the Skiver assembly until the pressure plate is over the belt. Loosen the Before Skive knob, push the pressure plate against the belt, and retighten the knob. This will now tell you the Before Skive overall belt thickness. Skive approximately 3 mm for most fasteners to countersink them flush with the belt top cover. If needed, reference the Skive depth gauge chart. The belt shown in this video is 12 mm before the Skive, so the after Skive setting will need to be 9 mm. Loosen the left knob and set the after Skive belt thickness, then tighten the knob. Double-check the Skive setting chart for the belt thickness range of the corresponding fastener. Use the drive handle to operate the Skiver assembly by attaching it to the Skiver drive shaft. Turn the drive handle clockwise to move the Skiver assembly across the belt width, or use a drill to operate the Skiver assembly. Actuate the drill to move the Skiver assembly across the belt width.